wish we could bake some magic cookies. Yes, with a magic helper. Wow, a gingerbread man. I'm here to help you bake. Look. Look, I'm a chef. First, we need our magic ingredients. Achoo! It's a sugar waterfall. Oh,
And a little bit of magic.
Mix, mix, mix the dough.
Now, let's choose our cookie shapes.
I'm making a little electric friend. And I'm making a big, friendly monster. And one cute little kitten, too.
Time for the oven's magic trick.
Smells so yummy.
Yay! Yay! Time to decorate!
Decorate, decorate, make them great. Yummy! Yummy in my tummy. Baking is so much fun.
Subscribe for more sweet adventures. Bye-bye!